Hello everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have created this super bright blue smoky eye look. Oh my god, I'm going crazy after creating that eye look. Seriously, I hope you guys would love that eye look also, because I absolutely loved that makeup look. So keep on watching till the end and watch how did I create that eye makeup look. So my skin prep is already done, and at least after 20 to 30 minutes I started doing my makeup, and the first thing I do apply is the primer always. So yeah, actually today I forgot to apply the sunscreen during the daytime, and I was working under the sun, so I got tanned a little bit guys today. So you guys can see the same foundation shade which I apply every day, but it is looking a bit lighter than my skin tone today because I got tanned. So yeah, I will be spreading up that foundation all over my face using that beauty blender. Honestly, আমি যখন ফার্স্ট মেকআপ করা স্টার্ট করি তখন আমার ফাউন্ডেশন ব্লেন্ডিং এ খুব প্রবলেম ফেস করতাম, বিকজ আই হ্যাড নো আইডিয়া অ্যাবাউট দ্য স্কিন প্রেপ হোয়াট ইট ইজ। আই হ্যাড নো আইডিয়া অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট, বাট আমি এখন চাবিকাঠিটা জানি ফাউন্ডেশন স্মুথ ব্লেন্ডিং কিভাবে হতে পারে। তো ইটস লাইক আ ম্যাজিক নাও। So the foundation application is done. Now I will start applying the cream contour, and I have applied the cream contour on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my jaw lines, and I have contoured my nose as well, and I have applied the cream product under the lower lip as well. And do let me know if you have started using the cream products underneath your powder products, and if you have seen any difference in your base makeup. Do let me know that in the comments please. And now I will start highlighting my face, and for that I will be using a concealer which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and the places where I highlight my face usually are the under eye areas, eyelids, my forehead, bridge of the nose, chin, cupid bow, and the corner of my mouth. And now I will be applying the most favorite makeup product, which is the cream blush on the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose as well. তো তোমরাও জানাও আমাকে কমেন্ট সেকশনে তোমাদের ফেভারিট মেকআপ প্রোডাক্টটা কি। এবার তোমাদের একটা নতুন প্রোডাক্ট দেখাবো, মামা আর্থস নিউলি লঞ্চড গ্লো অয়েল কন্ট্রোল কম্প্যাক্ট পাউডার। সো কম্প্যাক্ট পাউডার is something which gives coverage, but most of the compacts contain talc in the market which is harmful for the skin. But this newly launched Mama Earth Glow Oil Control Compact is safe for the skin and stays for 12 hours long. It's India's first talc-free and made safe certified without any toxins or harmful chemicals. And it has the goodness of vitamin C and turmeric as well, and provides 2 times instant glow. To set my concealer, I will be applying that compact powder. It gives so much coverage that you can only apply it and just go out. Don't need any concealer or foundation. It has 4 different shades. I have used that shade number 3. So every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. Mamaearth is also plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use. And Mamaearth products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, and Mamaearth's official website and app. So you guys can see the airbrush like finish on my skin. So if you want to buy this product, you can use my coupon code also, which is Mousumi2022, to get 20% off, which is applicable on their official website and app only. Now on top of my cream contour, খুব হালকা হাতে আমি জাস্ট পাউডার কন্ট্রোলটাকে বুলিয়ে যাব। But at the same time, you have to make sure that you are blending everything nicely. The same technique will go in case of my blush also. On the top of my cream blush, I will be applying the powder blush and will be blending everything seamlessly. And now I will be applying the highlighter on my cheekbone, on the brow bone, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and on the tip of my nose as well, and on the cupid bow and chin. So on request, I would be doing my eyebrows off camera today. So the first thing I have done is I have brushed through my eyebrows, and then I have drawn a line underneath my eyebrow at the front, and then I have just filled in the gaps. That's it, nothing much, because I have already thick eyebrows. So to set my base, I will be applying a setting spray all over my face, and after that I will start doing my eye makeup. And for that I have taken a kajal which I have applied on the eyelid. Yeah, that is what I do usually whenever I do any kind of a smoky eyes. So after the kajal application, I will be blending the edges using a clean brush, and make sure that you don't go above the crease line. It will take some time, but अच्छे से blend कर लेना please. Now to create a smoky effect, I will be applying a brown eyeshadow on the crease and above the crease line, and will be merging it with the kajal. Now on top of that kajal, apply a bright blue eyeshadow. That blue eyeshadow is so amazing in color. You can use a flat brush like me, or you can use the tip of your finger, and at the end just blend the edges with a clean brush, and yeah, that's it. Now on the lower eyelid, apply a kajal, just a thin line, and on top of that apply that blue eyeshadow and smudge it. That's it. Now highlight the inner corner and the brow bone, and then apply the mascara on your eyelashes. And if you want, you can apply a white kajal on your waterline, and that is it for the eye makeup, guys. Just hope, just finger crossed, that you guys would love that eye makeup. Please do let me know that in the comments, please, please, please. For the lips, I have just outlined it using a deep dark mauve color, and then filled it with a nude color. Just with the help of my finger, I have blended it. That's it for the lips. So how is that makeup look, guys? Don't forget to let me know that in the comments. And if you do try out this makeup look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle, which is Maya's Makeover. And do like and share this video with your friends and family. And if anybody is new here for the first time on my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.